We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MyMathLab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also...
Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 3. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then we have to make that a zoom. So in today's video, we will discuss Exp22 Excel chapter 3 ML2 grades. Increase your size and change its color. Here is project a description. So we have to make that bold and change its color. So we will solve this assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get 100% marks. But before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today assignment. So in today assignment we have 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 20 questions and 21 is non-graded one. Okay. So we have 20 questions in today assignment. Well, let me start today assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get 100% marks. Okay. Remember that we are solving Exp22 Excel chapter 3 ML2 grades. Here is project description. So as a Dr. Liu Young teaching assistant, you maintain their gradebook for ACC 200 financial accounting class. Dr. Jing wants you to create a pie chart that shows the percentage of students who earn each letter grades. You will also create a bar chart. Okay, we have to create a bar chart to show sample of student test scores. Furthermore, Dr. Jing want to see if correlation exists between attendance and student final grades. Therefore, you will create a scatter chart splitting each student percentage of attendance with their respective final grades average. Okay, so all that were just simply instruction or description about the project. Remember that we are solving Exp22 Excel chapter 3 ML2 grades. We have discussed project description. Now we are moving toward grade report. Okay, steps to perform. Okay, then instructions. Start Excel and download and open the file name, this one. Then grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Okay, so first we have to open, we call that a solution file. Okay, so first part is done, that is a not graded one. Now we are moving toward the next part. A pie chart is an effective way to visualize illustrated percentage of class that earned A class that earned A, okay, B, C, D and F grades. Okay, so use insert tab to create a pie chart from final grade distribution data located below the student data in the range F35 to G39. Okay, so we have to create a pie chart using the range F35 to G39. Where is F35 to G39? Okay, this one. So we have to first we have to select the range, then we have to create a pie chart. Okay, so we have to click on insert. There is pie chart option. Then Move the pie chart to its own sheet named distributions. Okay, now we have to move that into its own sheet named distribution. Copy this one, then select this chart. There is move chart option, then a new sheet and name is distribution, then simply press OK. So question number 2 is done, and we have earned, how many marks we have earned? We have earned 10 marks from there. Okay, in question number 2 we have to use insert tab to create a pie chart from funnel grade distribution data located below the student data in the range F35 to G39. Then move pie chart to its own sheet. Okay, name distribution. So question number 2 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 3. You should enter a chart title to describe the purpose of the chart. You will customize the pie chart to focus on particular slices. So in question number 3 there are 5 parts and we will solve each and every part step by step. Apply the style to well. Now we have to apply there which style to well. Okay, so we have to, yeah, this one is to well style. Okay, then we have to type ACC200 funnel grades fall 2024 for chart title. We have to in this for chart title. Copy this one, Control E, Control V, and then simply this one. Okay, then in next part we have to export A grade slice by 7%. Now where is E grade slice? D, B, A. We have to export this one just 7%. We just increase to 7%. Okay, then change the F grade slice to dark red. Where is F grade slice? Yeah, this one is F grade. We have to change its fill color to dark red. Okay, and then remove the legends. Now we have to remove the legends. Select this one and remove the legend. So question number 3 is done. After solving question number 3 we have earned 8 marks from there. So in question number 3 we have to apply the style 12 chart to that chart that we have created in question number 2. Then we have to type chart title ACC 200 funnel grades fall 2024. Then in part C, third part, we have to explode E grade slice by 7%, then change the F grade slice to dark red, and in last part we have to remove the legend. So we have earned 8 marks from there. Okay, so question number 3 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 4. A best practice is to add all text for accessibility completeness. Okay, so we have to add all text, this one. Okay, most students earn B and C grade including periods. So we have to copy this till periods, then select this chart or right click there, and there is all text option, yes, and here we have to paste that one and select outside. Okay, so question number 4 is done and we have earned 2 marks from there. Okay, in question number 4 we have to add all text most students earn B and C grades including periods. Okay, so question number 4 is done and now we are moving toward question number 5. You want to add a data labels to include the category percentage of class that earn each letter grade. Okay, so add data labels in inside and position. First we have to add data labels inside and position. Okay, then select data labels option to display percentage and category name. Okay, Now we have to apply their category name and percentage. Then I will remove the values that level. Yes, we have removed that one. Okay. So question number 5 is done, and we have earned 3 marks from there. So in question number 5, we just simply add data label in inside and position, then select the data label option to display percentage and category name. Then remove a value data labels. Okay. So after solving question number 5, we have earned 3 marks. Now we are moving toward question number 6. Apply 18 point size and apply black text on font color to data labels. Now first we have to change font size to 18 point. Then apply black text one. Okay. So question number 6 is done, and we have earned 1 marks from there. So in question number 6, we just simply apply 18 point font size and apply a black text 1 font color to data label. So question number 6 is done. In question number 7, you want to create a bar chart, okay, to for of a student in class. So create a clustered bar chart using ranges A5 to D5 and A18 to D23 in grades worksheet. Okay. After creating that chart, then we have to move that chart, move the bar chart to its own sheet and name a sample scores. After solving this part, we will earn 10 marks from there. Okay. So same way we will solve other parts also step by step. You may say we have just 20 question. Out of 20 question, we have done first 8 to 9 question in today video. So in today video, we have discussed almost half of assignment. The name of assignment is Exp22 Excel Chapter 3 ML2 grades. In start, we just describe project description. Then we read project description, get idea. Then we move toward graded parts. Okay. In graded part, first we have solved question number 1. Then we move toward question number 2. And in question number 2, we just insert a pie chart by using the range F35 to G39. After creating that pie chart, then we have to move that pie chart to its own sheet name distribution. Then in question number 3, we have to work on that pie chart that we have created in question number 2. Then we have to make that style 12 of that chart. Then we have to in ACC 200 final grades fall 2024 chart title. Then export A grade slice by 7%, change the F grade slice to dark red, and in last we have to remove the legend. Then in question number 4, we have to add all text to that pie chart. Then in question number 5, we have to add data labels in the inside and position. Select data label option to display percentage and category name, then remove the values. Then we have to apply 18 point font size and apply black text 1 font color to data labels. Same way we have solved question number 7, in which we have to create cluster bar chart. So almost half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Remember that your marks will be 100%, file will be ready in next 30 minutes, and price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price, and your marks will be 100% in overall course. Or remember that I am also expert of other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics assignment, stats, accounting, C++, English writing, English literature writing, Tableau project, or Power BI project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 1 hour. Maximum I will take 1 hour and result will be 100%. Price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. So in today's video we have discussed Exp22 Excel chapter 3 ML2 grades. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my site. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.